latest vehicle logbook number. You can find this number on your logbook. Give the green new keeper slip from the logbook to the buyer. You can find this what you have to take from the new buyer of the car and the details you have to give to the new buyer of the car. So if you have sold your car but transferring the car from your name to the name of the new buyer of your car is not difficult at all. Hello guys, my name is Faraz, one of the doctors working here in the UK, and in this video we are going to talk about something related to selling your car. So if you have sold your car, I know that's a difficult job, but transferring the car from your name to the name of the new buyer of your car is not difficult at all. So this is what we are going to discuss in this video. We will discuss whole process, and we will discuss about the logbook of the car, and we will discuss about something like the details of what you have to take from the new buyer of the car and the details you have to give to the new buyer of the car. So let's move to the screen and I will update you everything step by step. Open any of the browser and write DVLA car or the vehicle transfer over there, and when you will click on this link, this will open tell DVLA you have sold, transfer, bought a vehicle, and here you go. So you have to come down. This is the official page. So you can use this service to change the registered keeper of the vehicle and send a logbook to the new keeper of the vehicle. So this is the process. First of all, you will do online transferring in the name of the new keeper, and then they will send the logbook to the new keeper. Okay, and in the bottom it is saying after you tell the DVLA your vehicle tax will be cancelled and you will get a refund for any full month of remaining vehicle tax. Like if you have paid a vehicle tax but your car is gone to the other keeper, so definitely if any days left behind you will get a refund. So if you don't have logbook of your car, definitely you will not be able to do the online transfer of the vehicle to the new keeper. So in that scenario, you have to write a letter to the DVLA. This will be a direct letter, and in that letter you will mention the following details that include your name, your address, the vehicle registration number, the make and model, the exact date of the sale, and name and address of the new keeper or the motor trader. Once you have written this letter, then you have to send that letter as a document to the DVLA official address. So before we start, please keep in mind this service is available only from 7 in the morning to 7 in the evening. And if you want to proceed for the online transfer of the vehicle, just click on the start now button. And it will ask you a couple of questions. The first one is, are you a motor trader? No. And the next step, what you have done with your vehicle? You have sold it, put into the someone else name, including the transferring to the family member or a friend, scrapped it or the bought it. So you have sold it, I have sold it, so I will click on the sold it button. Did you sell the vehicle privately or to a motor trader? Definitely I sold it to a private person, so I will select the second option and then next step. Now you will need latest vehicle logbook number, that is also called as V5C number. It will be on your logbook, and if you have that number, then only you will be able to proceed further. So you can find this number on your logbook on upper left corner starting with CV. So when you are selling your vehicle, you have to do three things. Number one is give the green new keeper slip from the logbook to the buyer. You can find this slip on the third page of your logbook. At the bottom you can see new keeper slip must be given to the new keeper. Okay, so in this slip the keeper will have the registration number, the document reference number, and details of the vehicle. Another green slip on the second page bottom will be there, and you have to get the details from the new buyer of the vehicle. So you can see selling or the transferring my vehicle to a new keeper, not a trader. Please keep in mind this is for a private buyer. So you will get the details like name, middle name, surname, address, so that you can update on the website, and DVLA can send the logbook to the new keeper directly on the given address. Second thing from the list, you have to do what you have to tell the DVLA that you have sold the vehicle using this service, which I will be telling you now shortly. And the third thing after that, you have to destroy the rest of your logbook, because you have given the green slip to the new buyer, and then you have to discard it. Okay, and then we will move forward and we will click on the tell the DVLA. So during this process, DVLA is telling you again and again, if you are selling the vehicle to the auto traders or to someone who is not a private person, then you can't use this service. For that, you have to click on the given link. Enter the details of the vehicle being sold, your vehicle registration number, then you have to write the V5C registration certificate number, which will be given on your logbook, which I have told you previously. If you want confirmation of the sale of your car through your email, then enter your email, confirm the email, and click on the continue. Answer the next question. Is the vehicle being sold to a private individual or a business? So private, and continue. Now you will be in need of the details of the new keeper of the vehicle. I told you a green form on the second page bottom where you have taken the details of the new keeper. So you will enter the details of the new keeper because these details are necessary for the DVLA record and to issue the V5C registration certificate. So select the title for the new keeper, then enter the first name, second name, and click on the continue button. Then you will enter the personal details of the new keeper of your vehicle. Here he is asking about to enter the date of birth. Please keep in mind this date of birth is optional, okay? And the next thing they are asking about the driving license number of the new vehicle. Again, driving license number is optional. If they have not provided you date of birth or driving license number, there is no need. Just click on the continue button. So the third thing is, does the new keeper wants the email confirmation of the sale of the car? So definitely they will be looking for a yes, and you will select the yes. And after the selection of yes, you must have their email address. So you can enter your email address on the next page. Here you will write the email address of the new keeper. You will confirm the email address, and then you will select the continue button. So next thing in the list is the new keeper address. That is very important. Postcode and the house number are very important. If you are not gonna have this address of the new keeper, definitely DVLA will not be able to send the new form, new logbook to the new keeper address. So enter the postcode, and then you have to select the given address of your new keeper. Next thing is again very important, that is date of sale, because based on this date, DVLA is gonna calculate your road tax. For example, if you have sold your vehicle in the mid of month, definitely they are gonna return the half of the month road tax to your given account. Okay, so date is very important. So after entering your date, you have to proceed and enter the mileage. This is again optional. If you know the mileage of your car you want to enter, you can. Otherwise, just click on continue. On the next page, you have to complete and confirm that the entered details are correct. Email you have given, that is correct. Then check the name of the new keeper, date of birth of the new keeper, driving license number if they have given you. If the details are correct, then you will move forward. Check the details of the vehicle being sold before moving forward. If details are correct, then you have to select I understand that I will lose the right to registration number when I confirm. So next is important. If your vehicle is having private number plate, then you have to transfer that number plate before selling your car, because if you have sold your car before transferring the number plate into your name, then you will lose that number plate permanently. Then I have the consent of the party name to notify the DVLA. You will select that option, and then you will click on the confirm the sale button. Okay, after that you can check that thank you, your application is being processed, ID transaction is this and this, and then you can print this. You can keep this in your mobile, in your computer for the future.